Hello and welcome everybody. In this video, we will take our SahiPro business-driven test suite that we have created to the AWS cloud. SahiPro version 9.0 has brought to you an easy way to create your own AWS cloud formation with instances that have SahiPro and all its prerequisites set up and running. AWS Cloud Formation helps in creating virtual machines, that is, Windows EC2 instances, with minimal effort. Sahi provides you a custom CloudFormation template in order to launch the EC2 instances fully loaded with Sahi Pro Runner installed and running. Let us see how you can set this up. Log into your AWS account and follow the instructions there to set up the prerequisites for creating a cloud formation. You must already have an existing VPC, or you can create a new VPC and get its ID, an internet gateway, and a route table that maps to your VPC. Get an existing subnet ID or create a new subnet and get its ID. An existing key pair or create a key pair for access. Remember that all of these can be easily done by following instructions on AWS. And then, of course, you'll need a valid SahiPro or SahiPro Runner license key available. Go to this URL to check the prerequisites and steps for this setup. You must download the CloudFormation template from this link. Now, log into your AWS account. Navigate to CloudFormation page under Management and Governance in Services dropdown. Click Create Stack with New Resources button. Select Template is Ready option in Prerequisite Prepare Template box. Select Upload a template file option in Specify Template box. Upload the downloaded CloudFormation template that you have downloaded. And click Next. Provide a valid stack name and fill the parameters below. AMI ID. Provide the Amazon Machine Image ID of Microsoft Windows Server 2019 base. To find this, you can go to EC2, launch a new instance, and in this list of Amazon Machine images, find Microsoft Windows Server 2019 base and get its AMI ID. Provide that ID here. Here, you can provide IP address as to which 9999 and RDP ports should open. Default is open to everyone. I'm leaving it as it is. Key name. Select a valid key pair from the drop-down as created already. Master instance type. This is the EC2 instance type for master machine. The default is T3.large, that is recommended. You could also use others. Master name is what will come as name tag for master machine. The default is Sahi Master. Node instance count is the count of node EC2 instances to be created. Must be between 1 to 5. Let us create 2 nodes for now. Node instance type. This is the EC2 instance type for node machine. The default is T3.medium. You could also use others. Node name. This will come under the name tag for node machines, the default of which is Sahi node. Password is where you specify the password for user administrator for all the machines. You can provide any password here. Specify a valid Windows password to set for all machines. You have to provide this password if you are connecting to any machines through remote desktop. Sahi download URL. This is the valid download URL of Sahi Pro Runner. The example is provided here, or you can get the latest URL from the Sahi Pro website. Go to sahipro.com, Resources menu, Downloads archive, 9.0 version runner URL and get the URL. Provide it here. Sahi license key. Here you have to specify valid Sahi runner license key to run Sahi instances. Subnet ID is the ID of the subnet where the instance is to be launched. Provide as created already. Don't change any value for user data scripts, user data scripts 1, 2, and 3. VPC ID is the ID of the VPC to which the security group is to be created. Provide as created already and then click Next. In the next step, add more tags if required. This is optional. Click Next. In the next step, review everything and then click Create Stack. Now this stack will start getting created. Check the Events tab to verify the stack creation is successful. You will see Creation Complete status once that is done. After successful creation, wait for 10 to 15 minutes for the instances to be ready for use. So that is it. You have now created one master and two node instances in your CloudFormation, all of which have Sahi Runner set up and they are up and running. Navigate to the Resources tab. Click on the physical ID for EC2 instance master and it will take you to EC2 instances page with the master machine details. Get the public DNS from the Description tab. Get the public DNS from the Description tab for the master and node instances. All you need to do now is to execute your scripts on these instances. Launch Sahi Pro, open your test suite and click Playback. Select Distributed Run. Here, you can add the public DNS IPs of the AWS master and node instances that you just created. Select this option here. Here we can provide the public DNS of our AWS Cloud Master instance and use it for our run. You can specify the thread number here to run scripts in parallel. And click Run. The scripts that are part of the test suite will now run on these AWS instances. We can then connect to the instance using Remote Desktop. Log into it. Here we can open the logs from the Sahi Pro dashboard and check out the log of our latest run. To close this instance, we can use close.bat present here on the desktop. Double-click on it to close the remote desktop connection. You could also access the Sahi logs of your master instance on your own machine by using the master URL. You just need to replace localhost with the master IP or URL in your browser and access it. So you see how simple it was. You basically had to do no manual intervention to set up Sahi Pro, its prerequisites or licenses in any of the instances. By using this ready CloudFormation template, you can set up your AWS cloud in minutes and have everything up and running for your test execution. Give it a try by downloading a free trial version of Sahi Pro or request a demo by Sahi Pro support. Thanks for watching.